the last thing we're going to do is add one more plugin, and this plugin is going to help make it easy for people to call or email us when they're visiting our site on a mobile device. And you'll see what it does in just a second. So we'll go to Dashboard, Plugins, Add New. Here in the search bar, we'll type in Call and Book Mobile Bar. That's the name of this plugin. Hit Install Now and Activate Plugin. So we have to do a few things just to customize it. So we can either hit Settings here, or now that it's installed, if we go to our settings here on the left, there will be this Call and Book Mobile Bar. So click on that. And so let's add the phone number, and make sure to add your country code before. So for the United States, 1, and then area code, and then 555-5555. Great. And so in addition to having this button, so it's going to have this button where if they click on it, it will automatically call this number. Or they can click another button, and we can have it be a button to make it for them to book something or schedule an appointment, whatever it may be. We're just going to have this other button just go to our frequently asked question page. So I'm just going to put fax, and then I need to put the URL for the frequently asked question page right here. So let me just go grab that. Come to our fax page, copy the URL, paste it in there. And the icon for this frequently asked question button will be just an info icon. And then an email address, because there's also a button for them to easily send us an email. So they'll just click the email, and then it will open up their email client with this email address already preloaded. So we'll just hit save, and then let's go back to our site. And so if we want to preview what our site will look like on a mobile device, if you're using Google Chrome, and I highly recommend you use Google Chrome for development because it just has a lot of friendly developer tools, we can just right click anywhere on the site, click Inspect Element, and I have this toggled. So by default, if I hit Inspect Element, it'll pull this thing up, and if I hit this right here, this little phone icon, then it will give me a preview of what your website is going to look like on a smartphone. And so you can change this up here to be whatever device you want. Let's do iPhone 6, and then Command R, Control R to refresh it. And so here we have kind of an emulation of what our site would look like on an iPhone 6. So again, this is a good reason to use Google Chrome, because they have these free developer tools, so you can test things like this where you can see what your site will look like on a smartphone. And as you can see here at the bottom, we now have a Call Now button, a button to send email, and this fax button. And so if they click this, it will allow them to easily call us. If they click this, easily email us, and if they click this, it will take them to the frequently asked questions page. So that plugin added this little bar here at the bottom for mobile phones, and it really helps so that it makes it really easy for prospective clients to call us or email us or see the frequently asked questions. So it makes it really easy for them to get in touch with us, hire us, and yeah. So that's what that last plugin does for our site.